How to change keyboard color on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On your Android device, this is the default keyboard that you get, and the colors are limited in it as well. Default keyboard in your Android does not offer many color options. So if you want to change the color, you first have to head over to Play Store, then search for Gboard, and then install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, open this application and enable Gboard in your settings. For that, tap on Enable in Settings option. Toggle this option on, and that's going to make Gboard your default keyboard. Then tap on Select Input Method and make Gboard your default keyboard. After that, it's going to bring you to the settings page. On this page, you can scroll down and find the option of theme. Tap on that. Now here you have different colors option. Tap on this drop-down menu to display more color settings. From this, you can select any color you want. You're going to find a preview of the color as well. If you want this, tap on the apply option. Otherwise, tap on cancel. Then select any other color that you want and tap on the apply option. Once that is done, as you can see, the color of your keyboard has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.